I'm here to show you a demo of Bigtincan Hub. Bigtincan Hub is the world's leading mobile-first content enablement platform. Bigtincan Hub revolutionizes the way that sales and field service organizations interact with content and engage with customers when using their Apple devices to access, present, and collaborate. Here is Bigtincan Hub running on iPad. Bigtincan Hub puts content in context, pushing the right content to the right user based on their role, the time, location, association, and/or event, with all the automation and tools needed to engage with content in one integrated, intuitive platform. Bigtincan provides the user with a simple, easy, and intuitive user experience. Once the content is pushed to the end user, they can engage with this content online or offline. The Hub delivers a compelling consumer-like app user experience. By pushing the content directly to a user's mobile device, this eliminates the need for users to search and surf across files and folders in a repository. I'm going to show you how a user can play rich media from within the Hub to engage with the content. In this case, you can see a video playing in the Hub without requiring network connectivity to play that video. The Hub allows you to publish dynamic HTML5 content, advanced widgets, and links to open other native apps to automate manual processes on an Apple device. HTML5 content runs locally on the device within the Bigtincan Hub client without requiring network connectivity. This allows for the ultimate extendability of the solution without impairing the user's ability to perform their job. Whether it is a calculator, a configurator, or a rich media solar system application running in HTML5, content can be rendered directly within the Hub. Now I will show you a presentation being presented within the Hub. Notice the rich animations and transitions and fidelity of the presentation is maintained by presenting from within the Hub. In addition, Bigtincan Hub provides the tools that allow our user to tailor the presentation on the fly, such as the ability to reorder or hide slides, use a laser pointer to highlight a portion of the slideshow, meeting notes, and more. This next scenario has happened to all of us, where we expected all meeting participants to be in the same location, but for some reason or another, some of the participants must now participate remotely. With Bigtincan Hub, I can broadcast this presentation where those remote participants can see the same presentation on their device or web browser. Each Hub user has a unique URL in which they can broadcast their presentation and allow others to see the same content remotely, even if those remote participants are not Bigtincan Hub users. As I advance the slides on my iOS device, those folks that are remote see the same content as I do. Bigtincan Hub is one of the only mobile solutions that renders and previews pages, numbers, and Keynote, which lets the end user engage with any content no matter which tool it was created with. You have seen accessing and presenting content directly from within the Hub, and now I'm going to show you some collaboration from the Hub. Bigtincan Hub gives content publishers full content control, governance, and the security they need in order to push content to end users and determine what a user can or cannot do with the content. If the user has permissions to share content from within a content bundle, their options will allow content to be shared directly from within the Hub. With our content controls, a user can only share what they are allowed to share and not accidentally make a mistake when sharing and collaborating with others. Content can be blocked from sharing, allow the end user to optionally share the content, or mandatorily share content, such as your organization's required terms and conditions or legal disclaimers. We have numerous collaboration and sharing options from Bigtincan Hub, and the first one I'm going to show you is Hub Share. Hub Share allows the end user to share content with another person without having to email that content. The end user selects Hub Share from the share sheet, types in a subject, enters a text or a caption for the recipient to see, select the content you want to share via email, and then enters the recipient's email address, then send. The recipient of the Hub Share will receive an email with links to download or view the content. Once that recipient clicks on a link or links to access the content, the person who originally shared the content receives an email when that content has been downloaded or viewed. In addition, we capture this information in our powerful analytics engine. As you can see, HubShare provides valuable feedback to the end user who is sharing and collaborating with customers, partners, vendors and colleagues. Now I will show you email sharing from the Hub, which leverages the iOS mail client. From the share sheet, select the email sharing option. Type in an optional caption. Enter the recipient's name of who you are addressing the email to. Select the content you want to share via email and then send. From here you are prompted with the iOS email client compose sheet, and I can enter in additional comments or content and even add additional users if needed, and then send this to the recipient. Bigtincan Hub delivers all the productivity capabilities that users need to interact with content and be productive on their Apple devices, delivered in a single application experience. Users can view, create, annotate, and collaborate across a wide variety of content types. Here I'm going to show you annotating a PDF document. I can quickly access the PDF, and then, if I'm allowed to, I can select the annotation icon from the pull-down menu. When I select the annotation tool, it exposes the annotation menu along the bottom, and I can quickly begin marking up this document. If I want to collaborate with other users, I can select the person icon with the overlaid pencil to show who else is collaborating on this document with me. I can choose to share my annotations, turn my annotations on or off, or see other collaborators' annotations right within the document that I am working on. This gives me the ability to collaborate on content directly within the Hub. Bigtincan Hub Forms enables enterprises to implement process improvements for mobile workforces without requiring an entirely new infrastructure platform in order to incorporate forms and process workflow. Bigtincan Hub Forms enables users to submit complete, media-rich, and error-free forms anywhere from any mobile or desktop device securely and in real time. Bigtincan eliminates the complexity in deploying forms for mobile device use. No separate mobile app required for forms. No requirement to use proprietary formats. Users can fill out the form on their Apple device or web browser. Users don't need to be online in order to work with forms on their mobile device. Forms data can be centrally and automatically synced and made available to back-office systems. Bigtincan Hub makes it easy to create and distribute forms to remote workforces on their mobile devices for repair and service orders, checklists, surveys, inspections, audits, patient monitoring reports, site reviews, trip logs, pre-project reports, project wrap-ups, equipment checks, and more. Bigtincan Hub provides total security, including role-based content delivery, fine-grained content controls, full data encryption in motion and at rest, leveraging Apple's security framework. Another additional security component of the Hub is password-protected content. Password-protected content prompts users for their Hub password to access the content each and every time they want to view that content. And that's password-protected content from Bigtincan Hub. Gives you another optional layer of security and peace of mind for your content. For organizations that want to maximize the profitability and productivity of their mobile workforce, Bigtincan provides a powerful, intelligent, collaborative, and secure solution that automatically delivers content to a user's Apple device with all the capabilities needed to interact with and present content in one integrated platform.